फिल्म फेयर की ट्रॉफी आप जीते थे, तो उसके बाद आप रात में ही संजय सर के घर गए थे. Is it right?
No, I didn't go to his house. I
Acha.
called him up. I think the awards got over at about 2:30 or 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
And yes. No. No. Your award didn't start before 10.
We started
10
at 10:30 and we got over at 12:45, 1 o'clock.
Okay. Anyway, so when I was driving back home, I think the first thing that came to my mind, and because I had won the Filmfare for Ram Leela, I missed him. I wish he was with me, because that award wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't worked with him. And I really wish that one of my directors was with me, because I'd been nominated for 2 out of 4 films of mine that released. So I was missing him at that point. So very instinctively, I just called him. And he didn't answer, but I sent him a message, and he was very, very happy about that. He called me back the next day.
And happy Valentine's Day.
To you too.
तो क्या प्लान्स है कुछ?
This is my
अभी
plan.
नहीं, इसके बाद
इसके बाद I'm going home and going to sleep.
Oh,
I've had a long day.
नहीं, डोंट, सही में ऐसे ही आप घर जाने वाले हो?
क्यों?
नो, आप इतने तैयार हो कि इतने अच्छी लग रही हो.
Jitesh is taking me out for dinner.
Oh, तो फिर उनका क्या होगा? I mean,
हाँ?
किसका क्या हुआ?
फरहान का? आपका क्या होगा?
मुझे तो औदुना से मिलना है डिनर के लिए, वरना शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स कुछ नेगेटिव होने वाले हैं.
फरहान, शादी के बाद वैलेंटाइन कैसा होता है? मतलब बदल जाता
It
है?
comes on the 14th of Feb even after marriage.
I just wanted to know, you watched Gunde last night. What do you have to say about the film?
I think it's a very, very entertaining film. I think all three of them have done a fantastic job. And especially Ranveer and Arjun's chemistry is something that one should look out for.
Wow, superb. Very well behaved, praise, yeah.
फरहान, आपसे एक सवाल है. जैसे जैसे आपको अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आप एक्टिंग को लेकर ज़्यादा सीरियसली हो गए हो, तो क्या डायरेक्शन की सीट आपने इस वक्त पीछे कर दी है कि फिलहाल आप सारे खान्स को की नींदें हराम करना चाह रहे हैं सेट की? नहीं,
I think they sleep very well, please.
बिकॉज अवार्ड्स
And let's not blame the awards for my choices, please. मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मुझे जिस तरह के रोल्स ऑफर हो रहे हैं, जिन फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट, you know. So it's something I'm enjoying that's happening right now. So there's no point of me questioning it or trying to overanalyze why are things going on the way they are. But truly, I mean, I'm working on Zoya's film next, and by the end of the year, I'm going to be doing a film with Mr. Bachchan. So for me, it's very, very exciting times. So I'll just focus on that. And there's enough work and there's enough time at night for everyone to get good enough sleep here.
Would you be doing Shuddhi? Karan Johar's movie. Are you planning to do that movie?
I don't know if even they know what is happening on that project, but no, I haven't been approached for it yet.
But would you be interested in it if Karan Johar approaches you?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Why not? I think, but again, like I said, I think at the point that Hrithik was doing it, I would have definitely been interested to do it. Now that he's not doing it, I don't know what is happening with the project, but
Hello.
I would. I mean, I don't think that Karan would come to me with something that he didn't think that I would do justice to. So if he thinks that if I would do justice to that film, I would love to do it.
But now that Hrithik is not doing it, would you be okay, doing it with any other co-star as well?
Sure, yeah. But again, like I said, I think it depends on what they themselves plan to do with the project, if it even happens in the first place. It's too soon to say anything. I'd like to talk about projects only once I know for a fact that I'm doing them. Because I think it's a bit unfair sometimes when, for whatever reason, things don't work out. And then there's unnecessary reporting of this one was offered it, but this one is doing it. And it just gets messy unnecessarily. So we'll talk about it. I'll talk about the films that I'm doing for sure. So what I'm doing next is Imtiaz Ali's next with Ranbir.
Deepika, continue with Imtiaz Ali. Is that right news that आपने Imtiaz Ali, I mean रणबीर की फिल्म के लिए आपने सलमान की फिल्म सूरज बड़जात्या की फिल्म को ना कर दिया है? Is that right?
No, not at all. I've been on board Imtiaz's film for the last 1 year now. So there's definitely that piece of news that you have is not true. What is happening with that film? You'll have to ask Suraj ji. I have no idea.
But there were reports of you walking out of the film.
There were reports. I never said that.
Deepika, you're looking absolutely stunning. Oh, I would like to know who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing me. I'm wearing. Do I tell you the designer, or do I tell you who has styled
Yeah, the
me?
designer, yeah.
I've been styled by Anita Shroff, and I'm wearing Zara. I don't think, no, really, I don't think I'm anybody to comment on what other people should be doing or should not be doing. I personally don't endorse it, but each to his own. I think if it works for some people, then great. I personally have never endorsed anything that is not natural.
दीपिका, बॉलीवुड में एक्टर्स जो हैं वो प्रोड्यूसर्स भी बन गए हैं, प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग करते हैं. बीइंग एन एक्ट्रेस, काफ़ी सारी ऐसी फिल्में आई हैं जो एक्ट्रेस सिंगल हैंडेडली बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे लेके जाती है. क्या आपको लगता है बॉलीवुड की हीरोइंस भी अब प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग करेंगी या कर सकती हैं?
What do you think? Since you're a producer.
Yeah, I've been sharing profit since I started working in movies. So I'm very happy to do it.
I think I think it'll depend project to project. I think it'll depend on who. I think it's fair, yeah. I think if we've reached a stage now where the guys get a profit share, I don't see why the girls should not.
So you're planning to do so? Are you planning for any next future projects of yours? Something
No,
like
but now that you've planted the thought in my mind, I will definitely think about it.
और आप अपना नंबर दे दीजिए, बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स का फोन आने वाला है आपको.
Recently, you went with a teenager fan of yours to the Filmfare Awards. Could you tell us how you chose her and what made you choose this girl to accompany
Thank you for asking me that question, actually. I don't know, I always felt that that our fans play a very, very important part in our lives and in the whatever little success that we have achieved. And in our journey, I think our fans are a very, very important part of that. And I've always felt that when actors win awards, we thank them. But I wanted to do something special for them. I get the opportunity very, very rarely to do something for my fans. And I thought that by taking someone along, I thought that was my way of thanking my fans for standing by me over the last couple of years. And Jitesh and the entire Filmfare team was very kind enough to allow me to do that. And it made her day. She hasn't stopped calling and messaging me ever since. She's very, very happy. And I'm glad that I've been, in a small way, been able to make someone happy. And that was really just my way of thanking all my fans. It was just a random pick, yeah. There was no thought behind it, really. I think we just kind of had different people who we had in mind, and she was free and she was happy to come along. So, yeah. How much interest do I take in the chemistry? I think chemistry should be relevant to the film at that point. I think what was important for Ranveer and me is the fact that we have good chemistry in a film like Ram Leela, which is an adaptation of Romeo and Juliet. It is a love story. It was a very intense, passionate love story, and you need that kind of chemistry. And it worked for the film. So I think for me, that's all that matters. And do I have a say in that? No, not at all. I think you can't create chemistry. And I don't think a director can really direct chemistry. I think chemistry is what actors bring to their characters and to the film, and in the comfort level that they share. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not there, but I believe that you can't create it.